This is a Chicago Cutlery PC-1, or Popeye's personal spinach cleaver. Isn't that cool looking? It's rusted out. Handle's looking really old and no edge at all. In this video, we're gonna remove the rust. We're gonna resuscitate the handle. We're gonna put a razor sharp edge on this. And if it can clean cut some U-line paper at the end, then this old relic is alive again. I just wanted to bring y'all in for a close look real quick. One thing I love about sharpening is it's a great creative outlet. And as I started looking at this, I realized this is 52 years worth of patina. I don't think we should take it off. If anything, let's take it off the bottom here on this primary bevel, shine that up, and those two will contrast and it'll really pop. And then we'll obviously clean up the handle, make that pop as well in these little brass rivets. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get to work. This is the 8-inch variable speed buck tool bench buffer. This has a 1 horsepower motor and it has a variable speed, so I can run this at 900 or 3600 RPM. Buck Tool sent this to Get Sharp for free. They wanted to see what an everyday guy could do with their machines. And so far, I'm proving that anybody can use this thing. Okay, got that set up. Next, I'm gonna bust out the Magnum Sharpie. Using my support bar here because this would be difficult to only hit the bevel freehand. So this should allow me to get dang close to perfection. Right down the middle. I'm gonna come up a little. Yeah, I feel like if I put tape on it, it would just rip right through it. Well, there it is. I'll be honest, I'm not in love with it. There's just too much corrosion to really. It doesn't flow right. From certain angles, it looks cool. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just hit this whole thing, the whole face of the knife with the Scotch-Brite belts. Well, there's no going back after this, but I mean, if this is my knife, I'm not happy with the way this looks. And in true Chicago cutlery fashion, they're known for the deep grinds. I think what we'll do, we'll go ahead and just start on the blue belt here. This one's a little bit more broken in. And I have to go with my belt leading. I put on the Tulker idler wheel. It has no crown on it, and I was testing some stuff, and I cannot do trailing with this belt on that. So we're just gonna go so slow. 320. Oh, sure didn't do a whole hell of a lot. There she goes. Just not sure if I'm going to be able to get into this crook or not. I think I step up to the red. Now I use this red belt to clean some pretty interesting handles. Tactful way to put it, so some stuff's probably going to be flying off these in a second. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this handle brushed up here, get some of the grime off. Alright, let's go ahead and oil up this handle. Let that start soaking in while we sharpen. Using some linseed oil here. Oh yeah, look at that color come through already. Jeez, just beautiful. My client's gonna be very happy. I'll put a coat on this. I'll probably do a couple more and one right before bed and let it soak all night. Oh yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. Those handles sure are something. I'm proud of this one. Beautiful. But can it cut? Can it cut? Ooh. I'm actually impressed. We got 40-degree inclusive angle. And this is a beefy amount of steel behind the cutting edge. Yeah, razor sharp. Let's do a close-up of the haircut. Can your cleaver do this? Ooh. Make a wish. Hey, I'm really glad you stuck around to the end because I've got big news. And at the end of the video, I'm going to do the close-ups for you like I always do. First and foremost, our partners, KFMK. They've donated 2 machines to the Get Sharp community. So we're going to be holding a drawing, a random drawing, of course, coming soon. This isn't the official launch. This is just kind of a preview of what's going on. Number 2, big news. You remember the KSAG5, the 1x30 angle grinder? Well, what if you have... What do? Subscribe to Get Sharp. That's what you do. And last but not least, the close-ups of the knife. Come on in.